gotta do the flop.
Well, can I go that way?
No.
Why not?
It's a one-way.
What's that?
It means you can only go one direction.
Ah, jeez.
No one ever asks how the table feels.
Y'all, welcome to the gang. That's Pretty Little Liars Season 2, and that's Pigtails.
Christian, you better clean up this mess right now!
What mess?
What mess? You don't see that right there? Huh? You don't. Do you want to have a bromance? Isn't that kind of gay? No, it isn't anymore. I'm walking out the door. Please don't go away.
Got the people saying, Brooklyn saying, I see insane.
Go suck a dick, suck a dick, suck a motherfucking dick. Suck a dick, suck a huge or small.
And then I said jump. Bitch, what was that? Oh.
Everybody has a gay cousin. Bitch, I don't have a gay cousin. Wait. Oh shit, I am the gay. Oh my god.
Dab, 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 dab.
Christopher.
Dab.
I want a divorce.
Dab. Bitch, dab.
Oh my god, look at that face.
If you're feeling suicidal, you've come to the right place.
From the other side,
Okay, I'm gonna have to call you back. I'm gonna call you back.
Oh, hi.
Hey guys, this is my mom.
Hello.
Hi.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Can you feel the love tonight? Really? Sorry.
Yes! Yes!
What are you doing?
I was writing in my journal about my girlfriend. We broke up.
If he chases you, don't run. He walks slow as shit. Secondly, if you trip and fall, get your dumb ass back up.
So yeah, I was raised by ostriches.
I'm sure that won't affect your life.
Girl, be cool.
Hey.
Do you want pepperoni or sausage?
Whatever's gluten-free.
Okay, well none of them are.
Okay, well then I don't want pizza.
Hello?
Is your refrigerator running?
Yes, of course. Why?
You're gay!
Let me tell you.